Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to try and use Color Fix to remove all of my box dye that I have in my hair so we can go blonde. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. Okay, so I highlighted my hair. I will link that video down below. And it's been a couple weeks and now I want to go blonde. So I'm going to use Color Oops to remove as much of this box dye that I have in my hair so then I can go blonde. That's my goal. This is what my hair is looking like right now. It has some lighter color in here. It's probably not going to pick up. It kind of looks like a yellowish blonde. Sometimes it looks a little green. I don't know what's that's all about, but yeah, we're gonna just use it. I have two boxes, so if one doesn't work, then I have another one. And look at how much gray hair is coming in. So in this box, you get step 1, step 2, and step 3. But from watching a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of people say don't use step 3. So I don't think I'm gonna use it. I watched one YouTube video and her hair came out looking quite orange, which is a good thing when you're going from, you know, trying to remove black box dye and it turns orange. Like, that's pretty good without putting bleach on it. But then she put step 3 in and it almost turned the hair to like a dark brown, almost a black shade. It was really weird. Okay, so it says that your hair has to be clean and dry. My hair is clean-ish and it is dry. And then I'm supposed to mix the part 1 and part 2 together in a bowl. Mix that on up, wear gloves. I need to go get me a pair of gloves. And then I need to apply it to my hair evenly and quickly. So then it says that after you got it applied in your hair, you need to put it in a cap or a plastic bag and then leave it in for 20 minutes. And then you could also use a blow dryer to heat it up a little bit. And then rinse it out and rinse it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Shampoo it twice. So this is quite different than the Color Oops. The Color Oops, I believe it said that you had to wash your hair for like 20 minutes, which was crazy. So let's get started. This is what the consistency looks like. It almost looks like just a conditioner. I'm already liking this. Some people say that this has a really strong, nasty smell, but I can't really smell anything. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to just section out my hair and start applying it. I want to apply it to my ends first and then work my way up because the ends of my hair, for some reason, they don't like to get light at all. So let's get started. So I have it in. Now I'm going to put the shower cap on my head, go get the blow dryer and start blow drying it. So it's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna go take a shower now and wash this stuff out. I'm going to go in with this clarifying shampoo to hopefully take out more of that hair dye, and then I'm gonna go in with this Head and Shoulders because I was told that Head and Shoulders is really good at removing hair dye too. And then afterwards I'm gonna go in with this deep hair mask. What did I say? This repairing hair mask to kind of put some more moisture back into my hair. But yeah, I will be right back and show you guys what happened. Let me actually show you fast what it's looking like. I feel like it's not doing anything, like anything at all. The lighting in my bathroom is horrible. Let me turn these lights on. That didn't do anything. Yeah, it's like, I don't feel like it's doing anything to my hair. So yeah, and I look like I'm a chef with this thing on. Also, I didn't think it smelled that bad, but now I'm starting to smell it and I can't have the fan on or you guys won't be able to hear me. So yeah, there's that. I went out to see what Chris and the kids were doing, and my daughter and Chris both said that I stink really bad. I'm gonna go wash this out and I will be right back. Okay, so it is the next day and this is what happened. I am not mad. I feel like it removed a lot of the previous color in my hair and it lightened it a lot, so now I can go in and bleach my hair. My hair is looking so poofy right now, like look at it. This is crazy. If you guys want to see me bleaching my hair, then make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that video because I'm literally going to be filming that right now. I hope you guys like this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!